Hello everyone, my name is Kimmy from the Bears Library. Today we're going to be making our DIY eyeglass brooches. So I found this program from our Daniela sister Verna. She had one and she told me about it, and then I wanted to do it because I thought it was super cute. So thank you to Verna. But I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So in your kits you should have gotten some clasp pins like this for the back of the brooch. And then you should have gotten two, because I'm going to add two in each person's thing. You should get two of these eyeglass lens, a little cup of Mod Podge, different types of paper. I just threw in a bunch of different patterns and colors. And also you should have gotten, some Q-tips. So I'm going to show you on how to make this. So I'm going to pull you guys down here. So first you're going to take your eyeglass lens, and when you place it down you can kind of see which side is like the back side because it curves a little bit. So you're going to take the back side's where we're going to glue the paper. But first we're going to trace out the paper that we need. So you're going to use the paper you need, really use, play around with it, find like what flower you want to put on it or what pattern, look at the different types of patterns. And I have like this paper, look at the different patterns and where it's thicker, like this right here, it's like a marble and it's pretty, and this big thick right here. You can do it kind of wherever. If you want like the thinner lines, just find somewhere where you like where it looks. So once you find kind of where you want, so I'm gonna put it kind of on this pink or purple flower. I want this purple flower, or if you want you can move it sideways so you can get these two flowers in there. Kind of find where you want it. So I'm going to trace it. So you're just going to take a pencil and you're just going to trace it as close as you can. You might have to angle your pencil to get underneath the eyeglass lens to get as close as possible. After we cut this out, you might have to trim it a little bit. So once you trace it like that, I wonder if you guys can see, I just traced it right there, and then you're just going to cut that out. So I have one cut out already. I just wanted to show you guys. So this one I have cut out already, and I have the eyeglass lens here. So you're just going to make sure you find what side you want it up. So line it up, look at it, see if the paper is over the lens. If it is, just cut off a little bit. So mine's pretty good, mine's pretty lined up with it. If you have like the lens, it's like poking out a little bit, just kind of eyeball and cut the paper around it. So I'm just gonna line that up, kind of see what I want, make sure it's not upside down, make sure you have the lens facing forward. So now we're gonna glue the paper to the back of the eyeglass lens. So this is the front, and then we're gonna turn it to the back, and then you're gonna take a Q-tip and we're just gonna put a little bit of glue on there. Just a little bit of glue we're going to put on the back of the eyeglass lens. Or this is Mod Podge, so it's like a glue. Put that on the back of that. And once you have it all covered there, you're going to put the piece of paper on the back of it. You'll be able to move this around a little bit when you put it on it. So you put that, you're gonna push it down, make sure it's on the lens, and we want to smooth it out so there's no bubbles. So just make sure you hold it so the paper doesn't slide, and just smooth it out. And just push it right onto the lens so it's nice and tight. Some glue might come on the ends, just wipe it off. Okay. So we're gonna set that to the side to dry. I have one already pre-made that I made before with the other pattern on there. So after you put that paper on, put it aside to dry, and then this one I already let it dry. And then you're gonna add another layer of Mod Podge onto the back of it, which I already did because I want to show you how to put on the pin as well. So you're just gonna do another layer after you put the Mod Podge on the eyeglass lens, then the paper, and then let that dry. And I put another layer of Mod Podge on the back of this, just to secure it. So this one I already did that, so I'm going to show you how to put the pin on. The pin is obviously super easy to put on. On the back of the pin, there's already like a sticky side that you can just peel this off and put it on if you'd like. But if you want it to secure it a little bit more, then I would put some hot glue on it. So you kind of decide on which, make sure you put it, the flowers facing up depending on what type of pattern you have. So like this one, I would like it like that. So make sure you're paying attention to when you put on the clamp on what side the flowers are facing. So for this one, I'm gonna put it right in the middle. I'm gonna use some glue just to secure it. Put it right on top and push it down. Like I said, you don't have to use the hot glue because the clips do have a sticky backing, but this is just for extra secure. And that's basically it. It's a super easy project to do. And I gave you guys enough to do 2 of them. So you have plenty of materials. And if you would like more, just contact me at the library and I can give you some more supplies because I do have some extras. And there you go. You have your eyeglass lens brooch. Okay, thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Goodbye.